Hello, today we're going to bake some delicious yummy cookies. They're going to be gluten-free, refined sugar-free, and also lactose-free, so good for everybody. Matthias is my little helper today. He's going to help me bake the cookies, so let's get started. All right, so I heat the oven on 400 degrees. All right, so let's see what we need. We need ghee, which is clarified butter. We need
eggs.
How many?
2.
2 eggs. And we need almond milk. We need some baking soda. We need some rolled oats, almond flour, dates, raisins, and what's this? Salt. Yes, very good. So it's not really a refrigerator, yes, to keep all the stuff when we're done. I always use a silicone sheet so they don't stick. We use a mixing bowl, a mixer, and I use always a Vitamix to mix it. I also gonna need a small pan because the first step is melting the ghee. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, so the first step is that we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of ghee into a little pan, and then we melt it on the fire. Okay, so in the meanwhile, while this is melting, we're gonna do the second step. And which is the second step? Eggs. Matthias is a master in breaking the eggs, so he's gonna show you how to do it. Okay, that's one. Give it to me. And the second one. I forgot you also need a good cleaning supplies after if you do this with your kids. Okay, so the eggs are broken. Thank you, Matthias. Good job. Ready for the next step? Yeah? All right, let's do it. What's the next step?
Baking soda?
No. Dates. Dates. So we have some dates here. It depends a little bit on how sweet you would want. Mine are unpitted, but make sure of that because if there are pits in there, it's going to be dangerous. So make sure they're unpitted. And I'm going to put like 5 or 6. Well, my kids are actually sweet tooth, so I'm going to do like 7 or 8 here. Dates, okay? Then we're going to wait until the butter is melted, which it is right now melted. But one very important thing is we also have to wait until it's cold, because if we put it in there while it's hot, it's gonna cook our eggs, and we don't want scrambled eggs cookies. We want just normal cookies. Yeah, continue. Okay, so while the butter is cooling down, I'm gonna put this already in the mixer. We could have put it directly, actually. I don't know why we did that, but it's okay. So then we're gonna continue with the rest. So we're first gonna do 1 cup of almond flour. Matthias, can you put it in there, 1 cup?
Mama, there's still bacon from there.
That's okay, don't worry. Put it in there. Okay, so 1 cup of almond flour. Okay, so 1 cup of almond milk. Can you help me with that? Yeah? Okay, yeah, we did that already. So okay. And then just a little hand of oats. Matthias? Grab it with your hands. Like this. With your hands. Come on. Your hands, okay. Put it in there. Yeah. One, yeah. A little bit more. I would say if you use your kids' hands, you can use like 2. 1 more. Yeah. A little bit of salt. Yeah, so okay. And then, last but not least, a little,
soda.
like half a tablespoon of baking soda. I'm sorry. Sorry, my assistant. I'm sorry, my assistant.
I remember when you said, how did that just...
It's not very yummy, actually.
Yummy.
Yeah? They use it to brush your teeth. Do you know that? Want to brush your teeth? Okay, so then we're going to stir it around. Would you stir it? Hey, be careful. It's going to be on the ceiling. It's going to be on the ceiling. Let's make... Okay, so now when the butter is cooled down, we're gonna put it in with the eggs and the dates.
Oh, why did it look like that?
Okay.
Why did it look like that?
Careful, careful. Then I'm gonna close the Vitamix and I'm gonna stir it around. And then okay, so we have a smooth paste here that we can add to the other one. Wait, let's grab this. So you see how organized my drawers are. Super not organized. Cannot find anything ever. So here it is, broke. Okay, so to get the last stuff out of the mix, I use this. Okay, and then we mix it around again.
3, 2, 1,
So, as you see, thank you, Matthias. Good job. As you see, it's very liquid still. And actually, it should not be this liquid. It should be a little bit less liquid. So I think we're going to have to put some almond flour in it.
What are we going to put inside?
Almond flour. Okay, so to get it a little bit less liquid, I'm going to put 1 more cup of almond flour. Let's do it, Matthias. Yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah? And then my beautiful assistant is gonna stir it again to see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out more cookie-ish. Yes, that's what we wanted. Okay, so guys, 2 cups of almond flour instead of 1. Okay.
It needs to look like this.
Okay, so as you see, it's getting like less liquid, so we're more able to form some balls. Okay, so we're gonna put some raisins.
Raisins? More raisins?
Yeah, put 1 hand of raisins.
It's that yummy.
Yeah, are they yummy? They're yummy. Okay, let's get them in there.
Where?
In there.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's get them in there.
I wouldn't.
A little bit more?
Yeah,
Yeah.
muscle.
Okay.
I can eat more raisins.
Yeah. Okay. So about 3 hands of raisins for here and 1 hand of raisins for the mouth. Okay.
So,
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so to make sure it doesn't stick, so I'm gonna put some ghee on the paper towel
yep. And put it there.
and apply it on the tray. Okay, so the last step is to get this beautiful bowl, and you just grab a bit and make like a cookie ball. You put it on the tray and you pat it slowly so it becomes flat. Can you do that, Matthias?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me? Can you stop eating raisins, please?
My favorite raisins.
All right, so they're all good to go. We're ready to take them to the oven. Let's go. So thanks to my beautiful assistant for helping me out today, and thank you guys for watching the video. Please let me know if the cookies were great. Send me pictures, send me videos, or send me cookies. But I think that's going to be a bit more complicated. But yeah, so I would love to know how your cookies came out.